If you enjoy the video or find it helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you.
Today we're going to do a quick and easy air filter change on my 2017 Ram 2500 Cummins. Ram recommended Fleet Guard AF 27684. First thing we're going to do here is remove these three bolts. There's one here, and one here. Once you get those bolts removed, just lift up this side of the filter, tilts up, slide it out, move it out of your way. You got your filter sitting in there. It's the same manufacturer I used last time. I'm just replacing it. It's due for a change. Pull that out of there. Take a look at that filter. She's pretty dirty in there. Not too awfully bad, but you can see it on the side there a little bit. Check out the other side. Let's get the new one. Slide it up in here. Push her down in there. Make sure she seats well. Get the tabs back in there. There's tabs right on the back there. They slide right down inside there. Push that in there. Push her back down. Get all three of your screws back here. Project complete.